My name is Hans, and this is my CS50 final project called NITS. In an emergency situation in flight, the captain needs to communicate the situation to the cabin crew clearly and quickly. A standard way of doing this is the NITS briefing, which describes the nature of emergency, the intentions of the captain, the time available to take action, and any specific instructions. Until now, this has been always done with pen and paper and then communicated to the rest of the crew. This application tries to solve this problem by recording it on a mobile app which I've developed. I hope you like it. My name is Hans and this is CS50. We land at the home screen from which we can press the settings button and select a specific aircraft. And then we begin the briefing by pressing the Nature tab, where we can select the category of emergency and add some extra details to the text box. The next tab is the intentions of the captain, where we also can choose a category of what he chooses to do and add some extra details. The next step is the time available, where we can select different times from a picker and start a countdown, which can be reset or paused and choose another time. In the specifics tab, we can type in any extra information that the captain would like to add to the briefing. By pressing the Submit Data button, the app presents us with a briefing sheet, which gives us some instructions and all the information that we've typed in, giving us the real time of what's left and any extra information depending on what aircraft or situation we're in. In this case, L3 and R3 door positions need to disarm the doors for this type of situation. We can close this and then return to the home screen to reset all this data. The app is structured in the same way that the navigation tabs are structured. Each tab has its own view and view file that we can find in the controller folder with all the view controllers. Each view has its own view file that contains all the components that make up for this view. The information that gets put into each view, like the category and the description, gets stored in a corresponding model file. So the nature of emergency has a nature model where we have, in this case, an array of different categories, a selected category variable, and the description that was typed into the text box. This gets shared all with the observable object property wrapper that allows for other views to access that information, especially the briefing sheet.